Dreaming of opening your very own restaurant and serving scrumptious dishes to delighted customers? You are in the right place. Let's dive into the essential steps to bring that dream to life. But before we get started, please give this video a like, press the subscribe button, and ring the notification bell so you can always receive information designed to help your new business succeed by saving time and money. First and foremost, know your why. This is the foundation of all great ventures. Why do you want to start a restaurant? Understand your motivation because this will fuel you through the challenges ahead. Now, let's get practical. Research, research, research. Do you know that 6 out of 10 restaurants close within their first year? But do not let this deter you. By doing ample research on your target audience, location preferences, and cuisine style, you can position yourself ahead of the game. Craft a solid business plan. This is your roadmap. Detail out everything from your restaurant's concept, menu design, funding needs, to your marketing strategy. By the way, according to studies, restaurants with a well-detailed business plan have a success rate of about 65%. Sounds tempting, right? Step 3. Location matters. It is not just about the physical space, but also about the community around it. Remember, the best locations are not always the most expensive. They are where your potential customers are. Secure licenses and permit is through our organization. The world of bureaucracy await is you, but do not fret. The key is to be prepared. Our team can help you check out local health departments, city councils, and other regulatory bodies. Be sure you are compliant so you can focus on what you love. Design a mouth-watering menu. But remember, it is not just about taste. Pricing and presentation are equally crucial. Interestingly, restaurants that review and revise their menus at least once a year see a 15% increase in revenue. Food for thought, would not you say? Hire and train your team. It is said that the success of a restaurant hinges 70% on its staff. Choose wisely. And once you have chosen, train them well. Lastly, market and promote. Even the best restaurant will flounder without visibility. Harness the power of social media, engage with local communities, and offer promotions to get people through the door. And there you have it, folks. Embarking on the restaurant journey is no small feat, but with passion, preparation, and a sprinkle of persistence, you'll be on your way to culinary stardom. To secure the right permit and licensing for your new restaurant, please visit legalregistration.com. Or you can call our experts right now at 877-955-7111. Also, what do you think of the steps in this video? Do they make sense to you? Please leave your comment below. Don't forget to like the video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the notification bell so you can stay updated with tips and tricks to grow your new business to maximum profitability.